We embarked on the Ecobank digitalization agenda a couple of years ago. 7 years ago now, we've been at it. And we said we want to digitalize our customers, digitalize ourselves, digitalize stakeholders. And we've been pursuing this aggressively since then. Part of digitalizing our stakeholders is being able to digitalize other third parties that want to do business with us, integrate with us, or work with us in one way or the other. At the same time, we announced this ambitious plan to grow, have 100 million customers. We also decided that for us to be able to reach this number of customers, we need to partner with a broad array of people and other players in the industry, of which the fintechs are a significant part of it. And we decided also that we don't want to compete with the fintechs. There's enough for everybody. So we opted to collaborate and co-create with the fintechs. And by so doing, we said, okay, we want to digitalize, we want to grow, we want to partner with the fintechs. And we brought this all together to a working relationship with the fintechs. Then we thought of it that we are the ultimate Pan-African bank. We have a reach in 33 countries in Africa, and anybody that wants to get into Africa should be talking to Africa through us. We came up with the slogan, Ecobank as a service, which means that come integrate with Ecobank from one location and we can give you access to 33 markets where we can deliver payments into. Then we thought of it that why don't we put some form of competition around it? Why don't we make it exciting? And we launched the Ecobank Fintech Challenge 6 years ago. So all born out of our digitalization agenda and our need to digitalize our stakeholders and the partners and alliance partners that work with us. In the period that we have done this, we've had over 5,000 applicants. This particular year, we had about 1,490 applicants for this challenge, of which we have been able to, through different types of assessment process, we have come up with these 8 finalists. In the course of the previous 5 editions, we have inducted 52 organizations into the Ecobank Fintech Fellowship. Now, what this means is that there are 52 companies, which will become 60 at the end of this current edition, that we are in a fellowship with, we work with, we mentored, we partnered with, and we're exploring different types of opportunities with. This alone has been phenomenal because these are organizations that we work with, they have access to us, we are able to give them access to the 33 markets that we are present in Africa. Not all have gone into 33 markets. Some have gone into 1, 2, 5 markets. Some are in different stages of, oh, okay, we're part of it, but we don't really want to do anything further. But overall, it has been a tremendous success. And we will continue to ensure that we take advantage of these opportunities of creating an avenue where we can see the best of Africa. We can see the best of innovation and new developments that are coming up in Africa, and most importantly, find an avenue to give an outlet to them so that idea to product becomes something that can be further emphasized and benefit the Africans. Definitely, there's been challenges along the way. Sometimes when people hear Africa, some people tend to think Africa is one country, but Africa is 54 sovereign countries. And we call it Ecobank Fintech Challenge. Our focus has been Africa. Yes, we have applicants from outside Africa, but the shared communication of it, trying to ensure that we attract the right caliber of fintech. So being able to ensure that we reach the right audience and attract them to come showcase their solutions and work with us sometimes can be very challenging. And we have a full-time team that works with us on this just to ensure that we're able to identify the right candidates to work with and ensure that we get the best value out of our efforts.